When everything is over, only three things are most important: how much love you have paid, how quiet you live, and how you elegantly put down things that don't belong to you. Love is the most beautiful gift of life. It is like gentle sunshine, penetrating the haze of the heart and giving the world color and warmth. That selfless emotion is the meaning of our existence. Whether it is friendship, family affection, or love, love is an invisible bond between people. Whenever we treat it with love, our hearts get deep nourishment so that we can grow and thrive. The tranquility of life is not comfort and slackness, but the ability to have inner peace and peace. In a troubled world, learn to maintain inner peace and remain calm in the face of challenges. This tranquility makes us more intelligent to face the ups and downs of life and truly feel the beauty of life. Elegantly putting down things that don't belong to you does not mean giving up easily, but an inner maturity and liberation. Sometimes what we strive for is not the most suitable for us. Learn to accept the arrangement of fate and let go of those people and things that don't belong to you with a deep understanding and tolerance, which is a kind of relief and the best love for yourself. When we look back on our lives, what is ultimately left is not material wealth, but the deep and quiet life of love and the lightness of letting go. These three constitute the true value of our lives and shape our inner beauty and profound wisdom. How to look for light in the dark. When you gently embrace your vulnerability, like clouds embracing the rain, the mountains embrace the wind, you learn to be compassionate. Compassion is not only for others but also for yourself. Learn to accept the ups and downs of life because of all the experiences, they are all gifts for you. Every fall, it's all an opportunity to stand up. Every loss, it's all the beginning of wisdom. Everything has cracks, and that's where the light comes in. When you accept the crack, you can see the glimmer of hope in it. Like the spring breeze brushing the wilderness, your acceptance will bloom warm flowers. Let the heart become a bright light, guide yourself and warm others. Because acceptance is not only self-healing, it is also the continuation of endless love. When the acceptation is your power, no more escape, no more doubt. You will find that the world is responding to you with the same compassion. Life is like this. Accept is the beginning of loving yourself. It is also the way to love the world. The low point of life seems to be endless, but it is the darkness that gives birth to the dawn. When you choose to face the dilemma head-on, it is like a cloud and you will finally see the moon. Like flowing water, it will eventually enter the sea. Accept yourself at this moment, even if it is not perfect. This moment is the starting point of rebirth. Your pain and struggle, it is the fertile ground that nurtures wisdom. Don't be afraid of past mistakes. They are just processes, not all of you. A heart as clear as a spring, accept every ripple and upsills. You can reflect the moonlight, usher in inner peace and strength. Be careful. It's as calm as water, the world will also return peace. No matter how difficult today is, please remember your future, it is because of your efforts that it is bright. Love yourself. It is the first step to get through the predicament. It will also be an opportunity for you to rewrite your life. When you look at yourself with compassion, it is like the sunshine shining on the fields in winter. Your heart is soft and tough. It can carry all the pain and happiness. The heart is like a lotus, why be afraid of dust? Your heart is this lotus flower. When you have the power to love yourself, you can share this warmth. Don't worry about not being understood. Because every heart, they are all eager to be illuminated. Your mercy will ignite more hope.